Countdown to a new round of tariffs is on Sunday. New levies are set to go into effect not only on products that businesses rely on, but also on everyday consumer products. Right now, we're going to take you to one of the front lines in the trade war. Uh-oh. Got to be careful here. Oh, it's Jane. Jane Wells joins us now from the Port of Los Angeles on the front lines. Jane, good morning.
Hi, Joe. Yes, here from the front lines. Well, this is the nation's largest port complex. A lot of what used to come from China and still does comes through here. And as of Sunday, unless things change, 98% of what comes in here from China will be tariffed. We're talking about $164 billion worth of goods, clothing, diapers, contact lenses. The U.S. is even slapping tariffs on live camels coming from China. I don't know how big a market that is. Yet the Port of Los Angeles is still seeing record volumes. There's still a lot of stuff coming in. And even though overall U.S. exports to China are down double digits, you can see here they're up double digits to several other major Asian countries. And even so, though, there are a lot of containers coming into this port full, but leaving empty.
Empty containers are our largest growth segment simply because we've had 9 consecutive months of declining export volumes, and the shipping lines need to get those containers back to Asia for the next round of imports. With a relatively strong U.S. economy, you and I are still buying goods at the store, and we need to keep those containers moving.
By the way, each empty container costs $250 going back. Either the shipper pays it or the import-exporters do. There's another issue. Once again, retailers are front-loading. That's why import volumes are up, trying to get ahead of the tariffs and the holidays. Steve Ferreira from Ocean Audit says between August 15th and the 26th, more than 250,000 TVs came in here from China to try and stock up, which creates another issue. Warehouses are almost completely full. Warehouse vacancies here in Southern California are under 2%. And that is less than half the national average, guys.
Oh, that is something. You survived, Jane. I'm glad about that, at least. What am I looking at behind? I used to live out there. Where is that? That's your port?
Okay, they were in San Pedro. They were right outside the LA Maritime Museum. No. San Pedro.
San Pedro.
Wow, San Pedro.
You got in trouble.
And Los Angeles.
Survive.
I did.
And there's a ship back there. We got the Iowa here, the USS Iowa. It's Fleet Week this week. So we hope to be out on a boat later for the next hit, but there's a lot of security around here.
Oh, wait a minute.
Navy,
so that's why you're there. Fleet Week. No, kidding, Jane.
Hey, sailor.
God, oh God, you are so good and always so ready for anything I say. I don't find that often, Jane. That's why I'm glad when it's always a pleasure. Anyway, and it's early, which is even more amazing. Anyway.
No kidding. It's earlier here than there.
Yeah, I've heard that. Anyway, thank you, Jane Wells.